Hey everybody, it's Pixel. Today I'm going to be making 30-minute easy sweet and sour chicken in one pan. For that I'm going to need about a cup of brown sugar, a half a cup of apple cider vinegar and ketchup. I've combined them in one dish because they're going to be going in together anyway. 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, about a half a cup of pineapple juice. I might have put a little bit more. Half a cup of cornstarch, a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and red pepper flakes, about 3 green onions diced up, and about a pound of chicken diced up. I cheated and bought stuff that's already diced up, but, either way, it'll work out. The first thing we're going to be mixing up is the diced chicken, the cornstarch, and our spices. The onion powder, garlic powder, salt, pepper, and red peppers. That is going to be thoroughly mixed together. I didn't mention it in the actual ingredients, but you're going to need probably about 3 tablespoons of oil because we're about to go fry this stuff. And the next part is simple. While our chicken fries, I'm going to be putting in the soy sauce, the ketchup and apple cider vinegar, pineapple juice, the cat apparently, the brown sugar. I'll be giving that a thorough stirring together. And last minute, I'm going to be putting in about over half of those green onions into the mixture. Alright, we've been letting our chicken cook up in our wok for a little while now. It's all cooked all the way through. Well, almost. Alright, our chicken has been browning. Looks amazing. It's time to add in that sauce. Toss that into the sauce. Probably let that cook for the next 10 minutes. And after about 10 to 15 minutes tops, our sauce will be nice and thick, and it'll be time to let it cool off a little and eat it. Alrighty, time to try it on out. I made some white rice underneath. Get a nice bite of everything, and let's go. Gonna have to say the flavor behind this is amazing. It has a very authentic tasting sweet and sour sauce, at least for if you're going out to eat. I'm enjoying it immensely, honestly. I like that you can kind of taste the pineapple, but it's not overwhelming, and it all just adds to the flavor of it. And it really didn't take that long to make, about a half an hour. So if you have any thoughts, like what you saw, don't like what you saw, you know the drill. Leave me a like, leave me a comment. I'm gonna go finish my chicken.
Meow, Mr. Meow. Meow, meow, meow. Tiny paws.